Alright, those things just kinda, I'll have to merge those together. But you can see there will be a horse health meter, and that is pretty awesome. So I'll have to merge that stuff together, and I'll be so ticked off because my hotkeys, I can never get them down. So we'll take a venture down to this. Oh, just in time. Oh, cute. And just. Alright, hopefully. One. There. As you can see in the desert, there is no more little pools of water, but there is those pools of lava still. Great demonstration. In the meantime, we should check this out. Alright. Yep. Orange flesh. Just exactly how you can see. Butter, iron, clubs. That's a good chest. 2 diamond. Alright. That is pretty good. I'm gonna mark the... Oh crap. Don't want this all blowing up, but let's go. Seed. So there's the seed. If you want this, it's right there. That's all. 60970-440. No, oh, I failed that. So you can have your marshmallows. You can have your diamond. You can have your butter. You can have marshmallows because they're so awesome. And you can have your clubs. You can have your zombie meat. You can have your horse dress. No, that was horrible. Why is it called lead? It's not lead, it's like a... Yeah. Why am I doing this? What is... Oh, wait. So, as you can see, no patches of water. Yeah. Anyway, guys, that is it for that snapshot. Oh, cool. More to the seed. Seed showcase. Insane. And I mean, wait, is that... This is a really cool area. Look, there's a whole crapload of Dillons and creepers. So as you see, they're taking damage, so they'll kind of... Yep, there's another one. Yep, you see it now? A whole lot of zombies. A whole lot of zombies now, and more zombies will come since we're attacking. Wow, I just like that design. Anyway, guys, that is about it. If you like Wiser Snow, I'm right next to this. Seed's amazing, I just gotta say. Except I just screwed that up. So, guys, you gotta get this. So, just look on the Minecraft forums. All you gotta do is download it. It'll just open a brand new Minecraft. Like, literally. Here, you know what? If I push that back up, you can see it says Minecraft 13W17A. Yeah, very easy. So those are the changes. I think there might be some more changes that I didn't cover, and if I didn't cover them, I'll cover them in the next snapshot, or maybe even the release of 1.5.2. So anyway, guys, that is about it, and boom! No, wait. Just gotta do one. So So we could also just take a whole crap load of zombies. You see where this is going? See where this is going? See where this is going? You see where this is going? And then, yeah, you see where this is going? Here's what you don't want exactly. You don't want to do this. You absolutely do not want to set all these zombies, like, on fire with lava. So if we look at the sky, yep, there's one right there. They're literally falling from the sky. That's insane. Anyway, guys, that's about it. Yeah. Let's go seed again. If you really want the seed, there it is. And bye, guys.